Arvind Kejriwal's Aam Aadmi Party managed to win 28 seats in Delhi elections by riding on an anti-corruption wave. Now Mamata Banerjee is trying to occupy that space by roping in Anna Hazare and launching her own version of the anti-corruption campaign. The party has decided to go national and attract the youth voter to win maximum seats in 2014 general elections.
ऑल इंडिया तृणमूल कांग्रेस के ऑल इंडिया पार्टी ते परिणत करे दिल्ली ওই রাজধানী জায়গাটা বাংলার মর্যাদাকে আমরা ফিরিয়ে নিয়ে আসব ইট ইজ মাই চ্যালেঞ্জ
Trinamool Congress Supremo Mamata Banerjee making her party's national ambitions clear. Mamata plans to go national in her desire to be the kingmaker or even the queen. Together, let us speak with unity, let us think with unity. And giving her campaign a big boost is social activist Anna Hazare's firm backing. Many say, given the mood across the nation, the party wants to ride high on the anti-corruption plank. So Mamata to modify the Aam Aadmi Party model and use it to her advantage.
We have somebody like Mamta Di, who is the principal face of the party, so obviously she will spread the message. We have Anna Ji, who is, what he said, he'll go across the country spreading the message, and I'm sure there'll be others who believe in this goal for a brighter, better, cleaner, less corrupt India to take this forward.
In an effort to steal the Aam Aadmi Party's thunder, the party is planning to launch Fight for India campaign from March and will focus on youth to expand its voter base. The party believes that Mamata's image as a street fighter too will work.
In terms of the youth of the country, of course, 65% of voters are below the age of 35, and it is these issues which are important issues. And we believe if you have a clear focus and a clear message, and if you use technology intelligently, we need to get this message across.
Aam Aadmi Party supporters taking to the streets here in central Kolkata in their maiden Jharu Chalao Abhiyan. The party says that they are a force to reckon with even in West Bengal, and they are going to give a firm message to all political parties here in West Bengal, and that is perhaps the reason why the Trinamool Congress too has taken note of their presence, and they want to start their own anti-corruption campaign, Fight for India, after the firm backing of Anna Hazare.
The Aam Aadmi Party on its part has welcomed the TMC's decision.
If Mamata Banerjee wants to show her seriousness, she's most welcome to do it. We support all good efforts to fight corruption.
But the opposition says Mamata's national plan is bound to fail.
When Anna Hazare was doing the dharna in Delhi, Mamata Banerjee, as part of the UPA government, was ridiculing, Trinamool was ridiculing Anna Hazare ji. Trinamool Congress needs someone like Anna Hazare to put a shadow or cover the scams that is coming up in the Trinamool street.
With Kejriwal's mentor siding with Didi, the fight is on between the two street fighters. With Indrajit Kundu in Kolkata, Bureau Report, Headlines Today.